Here's the inside of a Zippo Blu lighter. I know that Zippo makes the retaining screw cemented in so they can tell if you've tampered with it. But clearly I don't give a damn. And this is what the inside looks like. Not really sure it's all that fascinating, but for those of you that are curious, this is what you're getting. Here's what I used to get the Zippo Blu screw loose with. A pair of vice grips and one of those small jeweler screwdrivers, just a standard blade, but I was able to get it wedged in there securely enough and use the torque of the vice grips to loosen the screw.